Hello dear learners, I welcome you all to the today's video lecture on MCQs in pharmaceutical chemistry on the very first chapter, that is heterocyclic compounds. The first question is, according to the numbering rule, what are the exception to the numbering rule? Means the whatever previous in our previous video we have gone through the numbering rules of the heterocycles. There are total 4 numbering rules of heterocycles. First is normal anti-clockwise direction numbering, and from where to start. Then it was about 2 heteroatom containing. There were 2 rules for them, and then next one was about using the prefixes. So according to these 4 rules, what are the exceptions, which means out of these structures, out of these heterocycles, which heterocycles are the exception to numbering rule? Exception to numbering rule means they do not obey numbering rule. So isoquinoline, acridine, xanthine. Acridine contains and xanthine, these actually acridine, xanthine, they look like fusion of 3-benzene, that is it is sort of anthracene you can call, and at the center ring it contains nitrogen and oxygen. So isoquinoline, again in case of iso, the numbering rule is disobeyed because nitrogen is present at second position. Actually numbering should start from the heteroatom, but it is present at second position. So it is, the correct answer is all of the above. The next question is, carbocyclic compounds containing heteroatom are. Carbocyclic compounds means the compounds which contains carbon in a cyclic manner, and the compounds containing carbon chain, carbon hydrogen in a cyclic manner, and they contain heteroatom in them. Such compounds are known by the name. The names are hydrocarbon, heteroatom, heterocyclic compound, or halogen compound. The correct answer is heterocyclic compound, because heterocyclic compounds are the compounds which contains heteroatoms in them. So this definitely cannot be the answer, heteroatom, because it is not a heterocycle, it is just a heteroatom. Hydrocarbon is a chain, okay, so it cannot be possible. Halogen compounds, again it is not possible. Next question is, the prefix thia is used for. In our nomenclature, numbering rules of heterocycles, those videos we have covered the prefixes and suffixes to be used. So the prefix thia is used for which heteroatom? The correct answer is S. Since oxygen is for oxa, nitrogen is for aza, phosphorus is for phospha, so the prefix thia is used for sulfur. Next is the prefix oxa is used for. Just now we discussed oxa. The correct answer is it is used for oxygen. The next question is, again the prefix aza. Aza is used for, again the correct answer is it is nitrogen, because aza is nitrogen, oxa is oxygen, thia is sulfur. Next question is, the prefix phospha is used for phosphorus. The correct answer is phosphorus. The next question is, the suffix ole is used for. As we have seen in the nomenclature of heterocycles, this ole suffix means it is a, first of all it is a 5-membered ring, and then it contains unsaturation. So the options are 6-membered, 6-membered. So definitely these both options are incorrect. So here only we have reduced half of the probability is reduced. Then 5-membered, definitely ole suffix is used for 5-membered, but whether it is saturated or unsaturated, Unsaturated means containing double bond. Saturated means not containing any double bond or pi bond. So Ole is used for 5-membered unsaturated ring. Next question is the suffix. This is 5-membered unsaturated ring. Then next question is name the 5-membered unsaturated heterocycle containing oxygen. That means again 5-membered unsaturated heterocycle is there which contains oxygen in it. So according to the video of which link I have shared in the description box, we have seen different classification of heterocycles. In that we have seen 5-membered heterocycle, then we have seen 6-membered heterocycle, okay, then we have seen fused heterocycle. So you can go through that video. Detailed explanation is given in the video. Now the correct answer is furan. Furan contains oxygen in it. Next question is 6-membered unsaturated heterocycle containing nitrogen at first position. 6-membered unsaturated means benzene and it contains nitrogen at first position, at para position. So according to the link, according to the video of which link I have shared in the description box, and according to the heterocyclic chemistry, pyridine contains nitrogen at first position. Pyrimidine contains nitrogen at first and third position. Benzpyrrole is also known as, options are indole, benzimidazole, pyrrole, quinine. The correct answer is indole. The correct answer is indole. Benzpyrrole means fusion of benzene and pyrrole is known as indole. Next question is which of these is not a 6-membered ring out of the given options? Pyridine is a 6-membered, pyperidine again it's a 6-membered, pyrimidine again it's a 6-membered. Now remaining is pyrrole, ole. Now see the suffix. Now this will help you out. Ole is the suffix which is used in case of 5-membered unsaturated. So here comes 5-membered ring which is not a 6-membered. So all are 6-membered and pyrrole is not a 6-membered ring. So the correct answer is pyrrole. Next question is which of these is not a 5-membered ring? Now 5-membered ring, as since see here we can have the reduced probability ole. So this cannot be the answer because ole is definitely ole will be a 5-membered ring. Again furan also contains oxygen in it and it is also a 5-membered unsaturated heterocycle. And remaining is pyridine which you very well know, it is a 6-membered heterocycle. Next question is which of these is not a 5-membered ring? So the same question, the answer is pyridine. Next question is pyrimidine is the heterocycle which contains, pyrimidine contains, just now we discussed, it contains nitrogen at first and third position. So the correct answer is D, it contains nitrogen at first and third position. Next question is out of the given heterocycle, which one is not fused heterocycle? Now the options are quinoline, acridine, phenothiazine and pyridine. So as we all know, quinoline is the fusion of pyridine and benzene. So it is a fused heterocycle. As we all know, acridine is the fusion of 3-benzene and center ring contains nitrogen in it. Then phenothiazine, again it's same as that of anthracene, only the center nucleus contains aza and thia. And then pyridine, it is a 6-membered heterocycle. So the correct answer is pyridine because all the 3 above A, B, C are fused heterocycles. Next question is which class of drug contains quinoline heterocycle? So from the chapter anti-malarial, in that chapter we have seen chloroquine and these all are quinoline derivatives. So anti-malarial drug is the correct answer. Antimalarial drugs contains quinoline heterocycle. Next, which class of drug contains phenothiazine? Now for phenothiazine, it is correct answer is major tranquilizer. Major tranquilizers such as chlorpromazine, flucloperazine contains phenothiazine heterocycle. Next question is, which class of drug contains benzimidazole? The correct answer is benzimidazole is anthelmintic drugs. Since this albendazole, mebendazole are benzimidazole derivatives, so it is anthelmintic drug. The correct answer is anthelmintic drug. Next question is, benzimidazole is the fusion of, so as the name suggests, it is the fusion of benzene and imidazole. So the correct answer is benzene and imidazole. Next question is, pyrazine is the heterocycle which contain, now pyrazine, as we all know, we have studied it in the 6-membered heterocycle. So pyrazine is nitrogen at first and fourth position. So the correct answer is A, it is nitrogen at first and fourth position. Next question is, name the class of drug containing acridine moiety. So basically the class means the chapter's name which we are supposed to study in the syllabus. So the correct class is antiseptics and disinfectant. They contain acridine. For example, proflavin, which contains acridine moiety in it. Acridine is a fused heterocycle. With this, we finish few of the MCQs possible on the heterocyclic compounds. Thank you.